Hello everyone and welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is all about nail trends. We are going to take a look at 3 of the hottest nail trends that you can rock this spring and summer 2022 season. So if you currently find yourself in a bit of a nail rut, this video is definitely for you. So the first nail trend on our radar is definitely one that comes at no surprise, and that is pastel nails. So during the spring and summer months, pastel nails are usually a trend that pretty much gets spotted in the atmosphere. But for 2022, we are really seeing a wide variety of ways to wear this trend. From wearing it with French tips, loving this kind of multi-pastel look that we're seeing pretty much all over the gram as well as TikTok. And we're also just seeing a lot of abstract varieties with pastel nails. This is a great way to kind of shake things up when it comes to color. Loving this polka dot variation as well. Pastel is really just a lot of fun when it comes to the spring and summer season, and I'm loving the new looks that we are seeing with this trend. So here is just a look of some of the different abstract ways that you can rock pastel nails. And then our second biggest trend is going to be animal print. So this is quite a unique trend for the spring and summer season, but designers have really been gravitating towards animal print. This is usually a look that has been worn during the fall and winter seasons, but I love the mix of the nudes and just kind of pairing it with bold, bright colors to kind of make it more festive and lively for the spring season. This pink leopard print is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, we are also seeing a lot of abstract designs with this mix as well. This is a great way to kind of integrate more than one trend. From zebra prints to cheetah to leopard. It's really just about creating variety and having fun with designs. So our last trend is going to be sparkling nails. And this really includes a wide mix of embellished nails and just shiny nails. If you are the type of girl that loves a glam look when it comes to the nail game, this trend is definitely up your alley. Alright guys, so if you are interested in any of these trends, definitely be sure to try them out this season. I do have another video where I kind of go more in depth with more of the 2022 nail trends that we're seeing this year, so be sure to check out that video as well.